I would like to introduce our brand new product. This is a movable handle. You can push it, but you cannot open the door. The door is secured via our E-lock portfolio. I will introduce first the lock. So for this I have to open the door. Now the lever handle, the push handle is engaged. You can have a look into the frame. Here is our inductive charging module integrated. That means via a voltage which must be here in the frame. You can transfer the energy into the lock. You see, here is our self-locking E-lock. That means as soon as the door is closed, the door is locked. So with this against security. Now I'm closing the door again. You can see the door is locked, secured from outside. You cannot get in. So via access control you can activate our E-lock, and it is possible to enter the door very easily via our movable handle. In case of emergency, you are able to unlock the door even via cylinder. So I have to turn it, keep it in this direction, and I can open the door anyway. So, and this example shows an interphone system. That means I can call here from outside. From inside, we have installed here a video and the key symbol, so I can push from inside, and the person outside has entry and can get into the door. So the advantage is you can use this device. It is very easy to handle. You don't need to cable the door, so it is perfect for retrofitting. It is working in combination with our E-lock for profile doors and for solid doors. And you needn't change batteries because the energy is in the frame. That's our brand new innovation from Südmetall.